Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the ideas of Microsoft that we're not sure, or for a lot of people, it's not a good idea, but they introduced it anyway this year. And it's their Windows 365 Link Cloud PC. So basically, for $350, you've got a streaming device. It's streaming Windows from the cloud. That also means you'll have to have a Windows Cloud or a Windows 365 subscription. And of course, for the consumer, I don't think this is going to catch on or really be interesting in any way. Especially if you don't have internet, it won't work. And basically, this probably approaches a lot more businesses that might want to have a managed, secure PC in the cloud that is, not, you don't have to, have your IT department really run it because it's just running from Microsoft's own servers. A lot of people say, well, I'll never buy this. And of course, I would not buy this either. But it might cater for, business market. But even then, $350, $350 for simply a streaming device. When you think that cloud PCs can work from pretty much anything. I don't know. I think it's out there. They're trying to see if there's a market for it. It's certainly not going to be a market for the consumer. But I will actually tell Microsoft one thing for 2025. So this, of course, is in the wake of a lot of mini PCs. I use mini PCs. I love them. Little, black bricks. You plug that to your smart TV and or your big screen TV, and it's just great. And of course, Apple has its own, uh, mini PC like that is interesting and that isn't too expensive. I would ask Microsoft next year, how about introducing a true mini PC that works on its own with Windows on it, and kind of have some device that could be a not too expensive Microsoft. I don't know. They could call it the Surface Hub. I don't know anything. Call it what you want, but it would be similar. I like the design, similar, and Windows integrated and good hardware. Just enough for having a great PC, not necessarily a gaming PC. But how about that, Microsoft? After you introduce this one, why not introducing a standalone Windows PC that has the same form factor? I think that could appeal for a lot of people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.